friends, how are you? Welcome back to my channel. We'll still explain how to use Android on your phone. Today we'll explain how to enable or disable SIM card on your Android phone. Let's get started and see how can we do that. At first, tap on Settings. Then press on Dual SIM Cellular Network. Here we have two SIM cards. If you want to enable SIM number 1, just press on this icon. After that, press on Enable. Now you already disabled SIM card. If you want to go back and enable it, just press on same icon. Now we come back to enable SIM card. Here we reach to the end of the video. In this video we explain how to enable or disable SIM card on your Android phone. That's it. If you find that our content is helpful, you can support us by tap on subscribe. You can also press on bell and tap on all to get notification for all new videos. By the way, if you have any comments, please don't hesitate to write to us and we will do our best to respond to all comments as soon as possible. Thank you for watching and see you in next video. Bye bye.